What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. We are fishing today, and I know it's been quite some time since my last video. It's been almost like 4 weeks, but you know, work, family, a lot of other stuff going on. I didn't have much time to get out in the water, but we're out here today. I actually just caught one. I didn't have the camera rolling though because I didn't know if I was gonna catch anything out here, but first 5-10 minutes out here I already caught one. So we're actually in Virginia Beach. We're fishing one of my favorite spots to fish down here. I caught my PB here, close to 10 pounds. I didn't have a scale on me that day, but it was a massive fish. So we're fishing this spot. First time fishing it on a kayak. And speaking of kayak, I actually got a brand new kayak. I'll put a little short clip in of just a view of the kayak, but very excited. So let's get to fishing. Just missed one right here on the drop. Took my bandito bug. So I wonder if he'll eat again. I didn't hook him. He straight ripped off my bandito bug. Oh, on the reel-in. Oh my God, look at the size of this crappie. Look at the size of this crappie that I just caught. Oh my God, that thing's huge. This is one of the bigger crappies I've ever caught. I didn't even know there were crappie in here. Look at that guy. Whew. Oh, that's a fish. Yep, there we go. Oh, he took it. He swallowed it. Oh, there's a bass. There we go. Well, that's a pretty decent one. Oh, he's hung up around something. Got him now. Not a bad one. Come here, buddy. Come here. There we go. There we go. It's on there. Not a bad one. Man, that thing's down his throat. Not really. I can get it. Be difficult though. All right, spot number 2 out here fishing. Pretty well known spot to us. As in us, I mean, I got my boys Jake and Caleb with me now. Had to take a little pit stop and pick them up. We'll pick Caleb up and then Jake followed us, but we are here. It's a little deeper back here, 4.6 feet. Oh, got one. Let's go! Let's go! Hey Caleb, this is for you, baby. You're so bad. Let's go on the black and blue chatterbait, baby. That's a good feeling. Yee! That black and blue chatterbait. Man, I never have luck with this either. Like, I used to hate chatterbaits because I never caught anything on them, but recently I've caught a couple on them, so like, why not? Dude, stop closing your mouth. It just went deeper down in there. There we go. Oh yeah, solid bass. Not the biggest, but it'll do. It'll do. See you, buddy. Like I said, the black and blue chatterbait. I got the Guggen Baits Bandito bug on the back. It's a trailer, and that's all it is right there. That's all it is. That's what I just caught it on. I caught it actually, makes sense, in the shaded area over here. So I'm gonna keep fishing this right bank. See if there's any more lurking. Oh, there's one. Let's go. Let's go. Yep, in that tree over there, right there. You see it? Right on the drop. Little guy. His back is messed up though. That's number 2, baby. Number 2. Yeah, look at that. I don't know what that was from. Little guy. I can't brag to anybody. Just show them the footage. Let's go. Fish number 2. See you, buddy. There's one. Yeah, there's another one. Better one. Long and skinny. On the chatterbait, baby. That's number 3. Ah, yeah, that felt really good. Wow, his teeth are sharp. Yeah, right in the roof of the mouth. He's longer, but he's skinny. Yeah, you weren't going nowhere, Bubba. You weren't going anywhere. Number 3. Number 3. Oh, let me get out of the trees before my poles get stuck. Yeah, I'm catching them. Pretty bass, pretty bass. Super light. Super light color. That's probably... it might be a 2-pounder. It might be a 2-pounder. We'll say it's a 2-pounder. It's definitely like 14, 16 inches. It'd be a keeper for some tournament. So, say goodbye, fishy. Say goodbye, buddy. Let's go. Number 3. Just sneeze. Oh, yeah. That's me being sick. Oh, there we go. There we go. There's number 4, baby. Oh, my other pole. Not my other pole. Not a bad one. Not a bad one. Oh, I gotta get out of here. He's gonna jump. Yep. Let's go. Number 4. I told you I had a feeling, baby. Told you I had a feeling. Look at that. Right in the roof of the mouth. Chatterbait coming through today, baby. Chatterbait is coming through today. Let's go. See ya, buddy. Boom. Of course, the camera wasn't running, but hooked into one. Biggest one of the day for sure. Oh, come over here. Oh yeah. Yee! So what happened was, there you go.
Way to go.
I saw a school. I knew it too. There was a school of shad or something. I don't know exactly what it was, but it looked like shad. It was a school of them, and I just threw it into there a couple times, and he took the chatterbait. It's a good one. That's almost short, but he's chunky. So, yeah, not that big. Yep, 3 pounds, 2 ounces. He's short, but good size, nice and chunky, healthy fish. That's awesome. Let's go, son. Let's go. A nice release of this beautiful, beautiful bass. That's number 5. There you go. See you, buddy. What's going on, everybody? It is the next day. We had to cut the video short due to my buddy Jake injuring himself. So it is the next day, and what I want to do now is give you all a little walkthrough on my new kayak. So what we have here is an Ascend 128T equipped with the Yak Power. It is a 12-foot 8-inch sit-on-top kayak by Bass Pro Shop. For y'all that don't know what the Yak Power does, it is a wiring harness inside of the kayak, which gives me 3 exterior ports on top of the kayak, 1 at the bow, 1 in the middle, and 1 at the stern. And it's all controlled by this power port right here. It has a power button, a 1 and 2 button, and then the bow, middle, and stern button. I suggest getting this Yak Power box. It doesn't come with the kayak. It holds the batteries for the wiring harness, and it holds up to 3 7AH batteries. I'm running 1 8AH battery right now. The seat for this kayak is actually very comfortable. It's the stock seat, came with it. I was planning on getting a new one, but this one works just fine. I also have the Ascend wheel cart that goes underneath into the scupper holes, which help out a lot. There is 2 interior storage compartments, 1 in between my feet, that's where the Yak Power box goes, and then 1 behind my seat, the bigger storage. It's from behind my seat all the way to the end of the kayak, so it's pretty big. You fit a lot in there. I'm running a Garmin 4 Plus fish finder. Got it for Father's Day from my dad. This thing's awesome. I use it every time I go out. The only thing is I need to figure out the wiring for the transducer, since the wire is like 20 feet long. The power cord, I have ran it inside the kayak, so it only shows about 12 inches of the cord. So that's gonna do it for this video. I want to thank everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below. It means a lot to me. I hope you guys like the new kayak. I for sure love this thing. It's awesome. So again, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more content. It's coming very soon. I know I've been slacking on it. It's been a while since my last video, but I want to thank you guys for sticking around and watching my videos. See you.